join us live on the beach. It's just after 9 p.m. No, it's not. Hey guys, you join us live on the beach. The winds are absolutely stop. You join us on a Sunday morning on the beach. It's just after 9 and the rain is hitting my face. Oh my god. Ow. Oh dear. Hey guys, you join us on a Sunday morning just after 9. The wind is ferocious. It is intense. Mr. Wilson Boo is being a naughty boy, shouting at the other dogs. And yeah, I'm getting hit in the face by hailstones that are quite hard, or rain droplets that are like bullets or something. But yeah, I don't know, it might do something for me cheekbones, raise them up a bit, yeah. I am 50 after all.